Are every pots the same? You can find professional pots that are expensive, you can have cheap pots that are costing almost nothing, and you can build your own pots for carnivorous plants. So today we'll discuss about what's the main difference. So coming up. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on Windowsill Nepenthes since I moved to Canada. So today we will discuss about the different quality of the pots. That's just a regular quality pot that you can have on every greenhouse. There is holes at the bottom, it's steady, everything's okay. This one is a kind of a cheap one, Dollarama, so that's high quality for Dollarama. But there is even worse. This one is nothing, like really garbage. You will squeeze the roots by just taking the pots in your hands, so that's garbage. So the one on the right have a reinforcement. That's why even if it's a cheap one, it's still good, and that's square. But look, the holes, plenty on the quality one, and like only 4 on the cheap one, so that's not the greatest. But at least it's square, so. The alternative is the ceramic pot. Ceramic pot are great. There is holes at the bottom. They have kind of a varnish outside, so they are beautiful. The only thing is the price. So definitely, for that price, I can have a plant. So you will have to choose between the pot and a new plant. But that's right that some are really nice, like this orchid one. That's definitely something I could try if I had this pot. The only pot that you should really avoid is the classic clay pot. It can release minerals after some years, and you don't want minerals or nutriment in the substrate of your Nepenthes. And they are known to let some water go through, so definitely it will let the substrate dry faster. And on a windowsill, you don't want that. And then you can actually build your own pots. If you want to save money on pots because you prefer spending on plants than in materials, like I do, I tend to find square pots anywhere I can. When I'm doing grocery shopping, I will spot the square box. Could be ice cream, could be feta cheese, could be yogurt, could be a lot of stuff. Everything that is for food will be good for Nepenthes. The only thing that you have to do is drill hole. It have to have holes at the bottom, and the more the merrier. So really, you can find any kind of pots, and I will show you now how to properly transform this regular food container into pots. And you will see that as they are square, they fit perfectly on a tray and you can maximize the space. Hi guys, before showing you how I do my own pots, I would like to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the little bell? That's the best way for you to see more and more videos like that. So now let's see how I build my own pots. So here is a yogurt pot. It's square. You will just need some tools for that, drilling holes. So I will save you time and speed up this video. Just take care to not drill your fingers, your hands. Maybe ask the help of somebody that knows how to use that. You can also use a wood burning tool, but do it outside because the smell is awful. But that's really a pleasant tool. Just wear gloves, just in case, and not plastic gloves. So I speed up a little bit the video for you. And what I like about that is you can do all the holes you want everywhere, even when it's not really steady. So that's really great. And I tend to do holes a lot at the bottom, even on the side, because my pots stay in the water tray. So I want the bottom to have the more ventilation possible. And here we are. All these square pots will have different height. These two, yogurt and feta, have the same, but some smaller container could be lower. And again, as it's square, it will fit. You will always find the best setup for the to fit in the tray. This one was used previously, but really, that's something you will play Tetris with. I was about to stop the video here, then I saw my truncata. The new picture is way bigger than expected, and I'm really happy, but it's trying to hijack the other parts. So definitely the plants need a repot. Here is a closer look of this new baby. Look how big it is. It's probably almost twice the size of the previous one. And so it's ripe, so I'm really happy. Okay, so this one is 3-inch something. And on this feta box, it's 5. So the plants and the roots will have way more space. And make sure you take one with the holes, right? Drill first, repot later. At the bottom, on the side, where you want. And you will also see that we will have to center it. And we'll take the name tag, we'll put it back after. The height, it's deeper. So again, more roots, more substrate, that's going to be better. Speaking of which, substrate will be as usual, sphagnum moss, but this time I will add a lot of cocoa husk. Or cocoa chips, whatever the name you call that. And also some perlite. So I want more substrate, but more drainage. Okay, then you moist everything, and then you squeeze all the water you can out of this. You don't want that to be soggy. Okay, now some cleaning. We will take care of the dead pictures, dead leaves, everything that is not good. So we repot only healthy, alive parts. To unpot the plants, hold the plants and squeeze gently the pot with this shitty pot. That's really easy. Okay, so the substrate is great, obviously, because it was repotted not long time ago. Long fiber will come into pieces, so be gentle. Try to disturb the roots less possible, and really check if there is no roots attached. And don't undo all the roots too much. This substrate is good, so let's keep it, and we will just pack around with the new substrate. Okay, so now it's time to repot. We will put some substrates at the bottom and then put the plants on the top.
Hey guys, did you saw what I did wrong? Okay, let's see it again. Look at that! I took the wrong pot, the one without holes. So the very day after doing this video, I had to unpot and repot it. That's what happened when you film a video at night. So don't do the same mistake as I do.
So after that, it's really easy. You center the plant inside the pot and then you fill with the substrates you want without packing too much. And that's it. And for those that grow their own lifespagnum or that buy some, yeah, the top dressing is a must for me. I really love the fact that it keeps moisture. It let me know if it's too dry. Just squeeze the sphagnum because it will be really damp when you have it. And that's it. You put that under the leaves, under the pitchers, and it should retain a lot of moisture. And obviously, that's for people that grow their plants in a really humid environment or to the one that spray like me. Because your sphagnum, if it's not moist enough, will turn white, which will indicate that it's too dry for the plants. Believe it or not, but repotting Nepenthes is really something I enjoy doing. It's really nice to see the new pods, the new plants, and the new growth that you will have out of it. So that's a pleasant activity to me.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do the same, you build your own pots, please leave me a comment. I will be happy to see what kind of customization that you do on your pots. So until next time, happy growing!